It's crazy how most people think to start a successful business, you need to have the most innovative, life changing idea out there. But the reality is that there are such simple ideas out there and niches that you can target and sell products to that are extremely simple and that you would have never thought about that actually produce a ridiculous amount of money. In today's video, we're going to dive into such a store and we're going to actually get a lot of inspiration for it because a lot of you guys, again, don't realize that you can literally sell anything online as long as you follow some simple principles, which we'll talk about in this video. So stay tuned, follow along, and we're going to learn a lot. So as you see, the brand that I'm talking about in today's video is called Viking Warrior Company. Now, what's crazy about this brand is that all they do is they sell Viking related clothes, which sounds kind of crazy, but you'd think maybe this is a small brand, right? Like they're maybe making 10K a month, something like that. No, they're making over $400,000 every single month. And the crazy part, they're actually drop shipping some of these things. So not only is it a really unique, but also simple Shopify store, but they're also having a very simple fulfillment process by actually just shipping some of these things directly from the manufacturer. It's pretty impressive. The other thing that's impressive is that they don't even run ads. They're actually not running any Facebook ads. I actually misspoke. They are running Google ads, and we can learn a lot by seeing some of the search results that they're bidding on, one of them being double layer skirts. Apparently some people are looking for double layer skirts, and I guess you wouldn't really know where to find something like that, but here you can find that. Now, one interesting principle we got to note down right away is the congruence of all of their images and branding. Even though the branding is extremely simple, it is really congruent and it looks really good. So everyone here is looking like a real Viking. Sorry, there's a baby out there. So this is a solid principle to take away from this. A lot of people spend a ridiculous amount of money on website design when in reality what's most important is actually just the images, right? Images make a bigger difference than anything else, and their images are actually really cool. I'm not gonna lie, like they have a really cool background. It looks like a real Viking. So that's a big deal when it comes to making your website look congruent and awesome. Make sure that you have really good images. Now, I'm surprised they're not running any Facebook ads because this would probably kill it with Facebook ads, as I'm sure there's a lot of different people out there that would enjoy this sort of stuff. But either way, they don't have to. They're doing quite well with Google ads alone. So, who am I to tell them to stop? Now, the reason I show you this is so that you launch your business already, okay? Because we have a lot of resources here that allow you to launch your business so easily, like way easier than ever before, such as in the description, the first link is a free Shopify AI store builder. So you can literally build your store for free and integrate AutoDS to actually just source your dropshipping products. Otherwise, you could also join the Academy Lab. There's a free server in there with a lot of resources, free Discord server, or you can join the paid version and get direct support and also a bunch of trend research. You get access to a private supplier that can ship things in, 5 to 7 days. It's pretty unbelievable, all the things that are available these days. I wish these things would have been available when I was getting started. And, my company, Academy, we oversee a pretty ridiculous amount of data every single day when it comes to Shopify. So I'm telling you, there are brands that are absolutely killing it out there, doing things way simpler than you'd think. So don't neglect the opportunity that you have at your fingertips right now, especially with the AI revolution that's happening. Things are only going to get easier, it seems like. That's my view. I know I tend to be on the optimistic side, and a lot of people maybe aren't, but again, I am. So, I'm going all in on e-commerce right now, from the agency side, from the investing side, from the building side, from the software side, e-commerce related software. I'm trying to really hone in on this market. So if that sounds interesting to you, check out some of the links in the description. Reach out to me to connect. I'm happy to help you out, invest, or get involved in whatever you're doing potentially. Obviously, I don't want to make any promises because, I just want to connect with people, but I don't want to make any promises necessarily. Now, that's really about it for this video. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.